Hi everyone, we have some exciting news for you. If you haven't already heard about our app, we launched it about a year ago, but we've done some revamping to it, so we're super excited to tell you about it. I'm Lexi Wyer.
I'm Jake Wyer with the Wyer Group. And you know what, we really are super excited about our app. I feel like it's had a great launch, and we've done quite a few updates and tweaks based on recommendations and comments from you guys. And we'll continue to make those updates, but let's talk a little bit about the app.
Absolutely. So first of all, it's free to Apple and Android users, and it has a similar platform as like Zillow, so it's super familiar with like the map features and everything else. It's linked straight to our MLS, so you can literally pull up the map, search a certain area, and everything that is for sale and available will pop up on your phone. So if you are traveling here to look for homes, or even if you're local, if you find yourself in an area that you absolutely love, just open the app, you can see what's available, if it's in your price range, if it's not, and what's available in that area. Or if there's an open house as well, that's also listed.
That's what I was gonna say too. The open house part for people coming into town, it's like super helpful because you see an area you love, curious what the inside of a house in that area looks like. You just could draw a quick circle on the map. You can go and take a look at that and it'll open up all the open houses currently available. It's in real time, direct link to our local MLS. So what you guys are seeing for information is exactly what we got as far as real estate agents are concerned.
Absolutely. So again, if you're in an area that you love and maybe the homes that you love aren't amazing, you can go a little bit coastal. You can have that big picture view of moving it around and just tweaking it a little bit to maybe a lesser price point, or maybe more coastal area, things like that, if you're in an area that you really like.
And the super cool part too is if you guys are in just kind of the intro part of trying to figure out if the area is right for you, things like that, you can start opening the app, liking things, making comments on there. We can see that, but we're not gonna be reaching out to you directly until you're ready to actually kind of move forward to the next step. But when you are ready to move forward to the next step, you've already kind of done the groundwork and said like, well, take a look at your guys' app. I've liked this house, that house, this house. I put comments on there, and we can kind of see that and kind of run from there.
Absolutely. So if we're already working with you and you are favoriting different properties, it gives us a good idea what you'd want to look at, maybe when you're in town, or if we have time available that specific week. And it also, you have everything at your fingertips here. So all of our additional resources, we have our lender in town, Troy Williamson, with all of his information. You just click on him, you can go to his website, and you can start a loan application there.
Yeah, and everything's live linked in the resource section. So all of our favorite restaurants, we're big foodies, we love to go out and eat, and that's kind of a fun thing for us, attractions. All of that stuff is right there, so you hit what you want to hit in there, and it'll open up a live link directly to whatever resource that is.
Absolutely. So while this app is amazing throughout the home buying process, it's also great to have afterwards because we link all of our favorite professional services in here as well, who we like for painting or landscaping or pest control, or even as detailed as plumbing and things like that.
Yeah, and it's fully vetted and updated, so as things change with certain businesses, we make those updates too. We take that very seriously as far as what we would recommend to you, so people don't get on that list very easily.
Absolutely. We also send push notifications if interest rates come down. Also, if we're hosting like a happy hour or a big party and want to send you an invite, you'll get a notification on there as well.
And the app is Living in Wilmington, just like this channel name is, so it's very easy to find us. Has our logo. That's how you'll find it in the Android store, the Google store, or the Apple store. So it's very easy to find.
Yeah.
But yeah, we hope you guys log into that, open that up, use that resource. It's a free resource, and we do put a lot of work into that. That should help you regardless of where you are in the process.
Absolutely, and you can just message us straight from the app as well. So if you find something you love, you want to inquire about it, or schedule a showing with us, you can just do it all right there.
You don't even have to pick up the phone anymore. You can just be flipping around on the couch in the evenings and send us a request to go see a house. So kind of a cool resource for you guys. So absolutely get in there, log in, download it on your phone, use it. We love that. So if you have any questions on it, reach out to us directly and we can help you walk you through it as well.
Absolutely. My email is Lexi@movingwilmington, Jake@movingwilmington.com, and we would love to hear from you soon.
Bye guys.